Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today we're comparing two popular models, the Midea MDF18A1ABB and the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher. We'll dive into their features, performance, and user feedback to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The Midea MDF18A1ABB is a built-in dishwasher designed to be integrated into your kitchen cabinetry, providing a seamless look. In contrast, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is portable and can be placed on any countertop, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs. This difference in installation type can greatly affect where and how you use each model. When it comes to capacity, the Midea MDF18A1ABB can accommodate up to 8 place settings, making it suitable for larger families or gatherings. On the other hand, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher has a smaller capacity of 4 place settings, which may be more suitable for individuals or small households. This is an important consideration based on your dishwashing needs. The Midea model requires a direct plumbing connection, which can be a limitation for those without a suitable installation space. In contrast, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher features a 5-liter water tank that allows for flexibility in placement, as it doesn't require plumbing. This makes the HAVA a great option for renters or those in temporary living situations. In conclusion, both the Midea MDF18A1ABB and HAVA Countertop Dishwasher have their strengths and weaknesses. The Midea offers a larger capacity and built-in design, while the HAVA provides portability and flexibility. Consider your space and needs when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.